back again on Trini Vlogs. Today we're going to be showing you all a maintenance video. This is going to be the first service of the Bmw 330E, which is the hybrid model. Today we're going to be taking you all through an oil and oil filter change on a Bmw 330E hybrid model. So this is part of the first maintenance, which is supposed to be done on the car 12,000 kilometers. We're going to be doing it a bit before that service interval. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to change the oil and oil filter. Let's go.
Hi guys, so here now you have the plastics on top. So you're just gonna insert your hand and it have a little clip here. You're just gonna remove the cover with the 3 clips inserting into the 3 points here. Right, so you just easily prying them open with your hand. Take out this cover.
The other thing we need to remove is the engine cover cap. Same way as remove this cap, you're just holding on the 4 corners and lift gently and you'll hear the clips unsnap. Just remove the cap. These are the 4 hooks here that you'll be trying to unhook the cap from. Alright guys, so the next step is to disconnect this positive wire running along here, and you're just unclipping it here. Right, there's a little red tab on it. Just holding the red tab and lifting the whole sensor out. Then we're going to be removing this piece of weather strip in here just to give us some room to get to the actual oil filter. So just remove it and place it to the side as the actual oil filter is located here. Alright guys, so this hose here, I need to remove this hose as well.
So you're just removing, pulling the 2 tabs here, sliding it upwards, and then on the side here, there's a little tab on the bottom here. As you can see the tab right here, you're just pressing it inwards and you're sliding this part out. Right, so you get some more space to work with the oil filter down in there. So to take out the oil filter now, you're using a 27 socket and fitting it onto here. You could use a universal joint extension if you need to, and then you just removing it here. So you just slacken it, and after it should be able to come out by hand after you slacken it enough.
Right.
So now it's loose. You can remove the ratchet. So you just screwing it out by hand now, and you get a cloth ready so no oil will drip onto the engine. So it's loose there. Get your cloth ready. Take out your filter, straight onto the cloth. Alright, so this is your filter here now guys. So you have your cartridge filter, which is what you'll be changing. Right, so you'll see here now there's the O-ring. So remember the spot attached, right? It have one groove on the bottom and then the O-ring on here. So you could use a very small flathead screwdriver or a pick tool would be best. And there's a groove here, you just insert it and you take the O-ring out and you insert the new one. Before inserting the new one though, be sure to oil it with some oil, a little bit of the oil.
Alright guys, so you just be taking a little bit of the new oil that we're going to be putting in the engine, applying it to the ring which is going to be going back around the oil filter cap. Just oil it properly and insert it back around the cap. Make sure it's fitted snugly into the groove. Wipe out any residual oil on the outside of the cap. Alright guys, so this filter, which is a new filter, it came with the O-ring already seated in the groove here. So you're going to be applying a little bit of oil around this O-ring as well. coated nicely, you're going to be inserting it back into your oil filter holder.
Make sure it fits snug.
And then you're going to be lining up the little ridge where the O-ring is. So you're going to be lining up the little ridge there where the O-ring is located at the top of the filter. There's a little groove inside here to line it up with. Going to be inserting it that way.
So as you can see, the groove is down to the back there. So the groove is to the back right hand side there, where right behind the position here, right behind the center point, that's the groove in front of my finger there.
Alright, so once it's lined up and you've inserted it, tighten it by hand. Then you're going to be using back your torque wrench and your adapter to tighten it back to 25 Newton meters or about 18 foot-pound. So once you hear the click there when you're using the torque bar, you know it's reached the required torque that you've set on the bar.
Clip back the both clips after here. Start with this one first. Clipped. And then this one on top here. Clipped in easy. And then you come back with the wire stripping on the top. You just a groove to line it up in and you just pushing it in firmly.
Alright guys, so the last step is to just clip back in the positive wire into here. And once it snaps into place, proceed to drain your oil. Alright guys, so this is the drain compartment under the car. You're going to be using a flathead just to turn this bolt out of the way. This flap will open and your drain plug will be right underneath this cap here. So we're going to remove the cap.
The drain plug on the bottom here, under this flap. So now you set up your drain pan underneath, slacken the bolt, and you drain your oil.
Alright guys, so after he start loosening the bolt from the drain plug, have your drain pan right here, and your oil will begin to drain. So just leave it, let all your oil drain out.
And by the time you're gonna sort out your drain plug and your crush washer.
So we're going to be replacing the crush washer there. A new one comes with the oil filter kit. So you switch out the crush washer and then you just replace the drain plug and proceed to fill your oil in the engine.
Now while it's here, you open the oil cover. Open the oil cover on the top there.
That will help the oil drain faster. So we open the oil cap in the engine bay to help the oil drain faster.
Alright guys, so here now, you clean out your drain plug as best as you can. And especially outside, because when you're screwing it up, you'll want to hold it, and if it's oily, it's going to be very difficult to hold. So you clean up your drain plug and you take a new crush washer and you inserting it onto here. So from our one, when you took out the drain plug, our crush washer stuck onto the oil pan. So be sure to remove the one from the oil pan, otherwise if you install it with two crush washers, it will be leaking oil. Alright, so here I'm now going to remove the crush washer. So you may need a flathead screwdriver, or it may just come out with your hand. So this is the old crush washer. Now you're going to take an old cloth or a cloth and wipe the last few drops of engine oil and insert back the drain plug. So clean out the area and get the drain plug ready. Make sure the drain plug is not oily, otherwise it will be trouble to screw in. So now you tighten it to 25 Newton meters, so 18 foot-pounds of torque.
Alright guys, so now we're about to fill the oil. We're going to be using Pentosan Super Performance 3. We didn't have a funnel on hand, so you had to get creative. Just cut a bottle and you can use that as your makeshift funnel. Alright guys, so after you finish topping up your oil, just replacing your oil filler cap here, and then you're just going to replace all the components that we remove, like the oil cover for here and this other cover for the area by the oil filter, and that would be it. Alright, so that's it for the video. If this video helped you guys out, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and if you guys need any additional help or have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Alright guys, we'll see you all for the next video. Take care.